Where's that go, miss? Everything goes in here. That goes right there. Yeah. Good job, Morgan. And you put stuff in there. Jack takes everything out. And she puts everything back in. Keeps her very busy.
Still taking everything out. Guys.
Is it a dog barking? Yeah.
Better hurry up, Jack's taking everything out.
Hey, how'd the other stuff get out? That goes there. And that goes back in there. Yeah. Oh, hey. No.
Who's on first?
Fine.
Fine.
Don't have your mother's temper. No. No, it goes in there. She's trying to put it out of his reach.
Try harder, miss.
Kabuki Morgan.